Hey folks, welcome to SyncWin Tools YouTube channel. I'm your host Wasim. Today I'm excited to introduce you to Linksy, the revolutionary AI-powered internal link building plugin designed specially for WordPress. If you are looking to enhance your website's SEO and streamline your internal linking process, you have come to the right place. In this video, we are diving deep into Linksy, the AI-powered internal link building plugin. I will take you through a step-by-step walkthrough on how to set up Linksy, utilize its features, and maximize your internal linking strategy for better SEO. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about internal linking. We all know how crucial it is for SEO, but managing it can be a daunting task, especially as your site grows. Imagine you have a blog with hundreds of posts. Manually linking related content is not just time consuming, it is also prone to errors. That's where Linksy comes in. So first thing first, what is Linksy? Linksy is an AI-powered internal link building plugin for WordPress, perfect for SEO content creators, developed by SEOs for SEOs. It uses advanced natural language processing, aka NLP, to analyze semantic relationship between posts, offering contextual internal linking suggestion to enhance SEO. The auto-linking feature is a game changer for growing websites. By setting specific keywords and target URLs, Linksy automatically links these across your site, maintaining consistency and saving time. The silo network feature helps organize related posts into clusters, improving topical relevance and SEO structure. Linksy provides actionable link reports to identify and fix gaps in your internal linking strategy. It integrates seamlessly with popular SEO plugins like Yoast, Rank Math, and all-in-one SEO, and works with various Gutenberg and non-Gutenberg based page builders such as Cadence Blocks, GreenShift, Elementor, DV, Bricks, and Oxygen Builder. Linksy's user-friendly interface and continuous updates align with the latest WordPress standards, simplifying internal linking, boosting site structure, and improving search engine ranking, allowing you to focus on creating quality content. So this is the post edit screen or page edit screen, you can say. You can find the Linksy panel on this screen as well, and you can use this panel to create internal links for this particular page. There are multiple options available, like these are the filters to choose from, and this is the option to create focus keywords using AI, and you can also add custom keywords by manually typing. And this is the settings. If you want to stop suggesting this post, then you can use this option and hit the apply button. It will stop suggesting this post for the internal linking purposes by the Linksy system. Suggest use keywords. If you want to suggest use keywords, then you can check this box and hit the apply button. In this case, I'm not going to do anything, and so hope you got it. And if you want to disable this Linksy panel from your post edit screen or page editor screen, then you can go to the setting and disable this feature. So once you disable the Linksy from the post edit screen, it will not be visible over here anymore. So hope you understand. Now let's get to the next feature. So as soon as you install and activated Linksy plugin, you should head over to the Linksy settings page. In this page, you can see two different tabs. One is general tab, where you can find all the settings related to this plugin. And the second tab is the licensing tab, where you should add your license to activate this plugin. So let's check the sync rules. So these are the same rules which you have already set up in the earlier section when you were crawling your website for the Linksy plugin to suggest the internal linking keywords and links for your pages. The next is linking rules. So you can set up a bunch of rules for your links so that if a page falls under one of these rules, then it will follow the rule you have set up on this screen. For example, the first rule is number of words to skip. You can select number of words, sentence, or paragraph to skip or exclude that particular number of paragraph, sentence, or words where the Linksy plugin will not include any internal link. Max outbound link per post. You can set up a number from 1 to 100 so that A single post only allows outbound link of this particular number you have set up over here, the max inbound link per post. So you should keep this as no limit, because you want to create internal link for a particular page from your past and future pages, as many links as possible without any limitations. Prevent two-way linking. So this feature allows you to create a rule of exclusion, where if post A already linked to the post B, then the post B will be excluded by the system and it will not suggest any link for the post B to include in the post A. Don't resuggest link. If you activate this rule, then it will not suggest the same link for a single post more than once, which means it will avoid creating duplicate link for a particular page. Don't suggest a link to post older than. So you can set a limit, a number of month from this setting. So it will exclude creating link for the post that is older than the selected number of months. For example, 1 month. If a post is 1 month old, then it will exclude that post and will not create any link for that post. Update post modified date. After including any internal link using Linksy plugin, if you want the post to be updated with the modified date, then you should activate this. But in my case, I will keep it deactivated because I don't want to signal Google that I have updated the post when I haven't added any new content to the post or page. It is just an internal link. Open internal link in a new tab. So if you activate this setting, this rule, it will create a target blank setting for all the links you include using this Linksy plugin. So whenever someone click on that link inserted by the Linksy plugin, it will always open on a new tab instead of the same tab. Add destination post title to links. So you can ignore this setting, this rule. It will basically allows you to create a pop-up window type of interface whenever someone hover over on the inserted link, and it will show up the page title, which is not recommended by the Linksy team as well. Ignore rules. So these are the few of ignore rules which you can set up. So categories to be ignored for suggestions. So if you select any of these categories, then Linksy will exclude those categories, the post and the pages that are in those categories to suggest link for them. Post to be ignored for suggestions. So if you add a particular post or multiple posts using this search option, then Linksy will ignore those posts or pages and will not suggest any link for those pages. Keyword to be ignored for suggestions. Also, you can include a few keywords that you want to add over here, and Linksy will exclude those keywords and will not create any suggestions for those keywords. Ignore image URLs, which is a good practice. You should keep this activated. Show ignore post in the report. So this settings basically allows you to show the report of ignore post or pages that you have created using these ignore rules settings. Disable Linksy on post edit screen. So you can disable the Linksy on the post edit screen, which means if you open up the post or page of your website, then it will show a Linksy panel in the sidebar. If you don't want that, you can just turn it on and it will be removed or disabled from that post edit screen. Limit focus keywords to post. So if you keep this activated, then Linksy will focus the keyword to its post, which means one post will only have one focus keyword, and the same focus keyword will not be assigned to any other post, which is a good practice for avoid keyword cannibalization on the search engine, and also suggested by the SEOs. Auto download add-ons. So if you activate this setting, then whenever Linksy release a new add-on, they will automatically add that add-on to your website. Now let's check the dashboard section of Linksy. So this is the Linksy dashboard, where you can find various data from multiple sources, like post stats, where you can see all the encoded post, which is 716 out of 787, which means all the post, all the pages that Linksy have already analyzed and created the anchor text and link suggestions in the backend. Suggestible same 716 out of 716. These are the posts, these are the pages that are suggestible by Linksy to create internal links. Unencoded post or pages. Uh, so these are the pages that are already in progress and maybe will add it in the included post section in future after they are finished. Unsuggestible. If few posts or pages get any kind of error or like duplicate pages, then they will add those pages on the unsuggestible, which means they are not suggesting to create any kind of internal link for those pages. Link stat. So in this section they shows all the links, internal or external links that are found on your website. For example, you can see total link over here 2093 in my case. Internal links are 477, which means all the links that are redirecting to this same website. External links, which means all the links that are going out of this website and link to the other domains apart from yours. Orphan post means the post or pages that has not got any link from other pages. Self-contained post. Self-contained post means if you have a post or page that does not link to other pages of your website, that is called self-contained post. Anchor cloud. So the total number of anchor keywords they have generated for your website is 27 in my case, and all are unique, no duplicates, most linked to domains. So these are the internal links that has been most linked from my website. SyncWin is my short link for my brand, which means I mostly create short link for other products or pages using this link. For example, if you want to check the official website of Linksy, then you can just type sync.win/Linksy and it will lead you to the official Linksy page. And these are the keyword ratings. This section helps you understand how your pages are optimized for search engine based on their focus keywords that you have been added using the SEO plugin like Yoast and Rank Math. Now let's go to the reports. In this page you can see you can rescan the links. If you find all the links are not indexed or crawled, then you can use this button to rescan the links. These are the internal links. In this tab you can see all the internal link suggestions, and in this page you can see all the domains or external links that have been linked from your website. There are multiple filters to use from to select the links to find the report. For example, if you want to find the report only for post, you can select it from here. Status, published, pending review, draft, categories, tags, published dates, word count, inbound link, outbound link, external links. And once you apply the setting, it will show all the data selected based on your filters. So if you want, you can go through each of the pages and you can create inbound links, outbound links, rewrite a particular section of that page to include your showcase keywords. You can edit the page by clicking on this. You can view the page and it shows the data like title, page titles, published dates, word count of that page, inbound links, how many inbound links are there, how many outbound links are there, how many external links are there. You can also select the orphan pages by clicking this button. So all these pages are orphan pages, which means no other pages have created any link or link to this page from your website. Or if you select this self-contained filter, then automatically it will display all the pages that are self-contained, means these pages have not linked to other pages of your website yet. Now let's check the next section, which is add inbound link. So for example, let's click on this post where we are going to add inbound links. This is the post, how to choose lifetime deals, the ultimate LTD buying guide. This is the post, and this is the focus keyword added to the rank math plugin. So for example, this has no inbound links, which means no other post on my website has linked to this particular post, but it has some outbound links, and two of those outbound links are external links, not from my website, which means I have added two links to the external websites and 2 links to the internal post of my website. Now let's see focus keyword suggestion. There are no suggestion for the focus keyword in this case. So I will add a link in this post, which means this post will have an outbound link to this post. This is the suggestion from Linksy, and I think it is much better than any other plugin, because as far as I know, other plugins offer direct keyword to add links, but Linksy is offering a contextual way to add links, which means it can be a keyword or it can be a phrase as well. Like in this case, this is not a keyword. Keyword is lifetime deals, but lifetime deals are successful is a phrase where you can add link to this post. This is a good practice suggested by Google. So for example, let's view this post just to show you. Just copy this and control F, find that phrase. Okay, it is over here. See, there are no links available for this phrase. So we are going to add an outbound link to this post in this phrase just with a one or maybe two clicks. Click on this and just hit the apply button. It's done. Now see, you have an inbound link to this post from that post. And now I'm going to show where the link has been added. Just refresh this page. See, it's over here. It has been added so easily without opening the post, without editing anything, just from the inbound links window. This plugin has the potential to make your life way easier, because if you have hundreds of posts on your website, you can use this plugin to add internal links to your post just by clicking a few buttons. So this is not totally automatic, and I don't suggest to create links automatically, because if there is any mismatch in the intent or keyword is not matching with the links, then it can create problem than solving a problem. So I will suggest you go through all the suggestions, and whichever you think is good option to link, then just click and hit the apply button and do it manually. Also, they have a score which suggests which post is good to get inbound link from. For example, 61 for this post, which means if you get inbound link from this page, it is a good option because it scores 61. And if you scroll the page, you can see different score for different posts. Maybe I don't want to add any more inbound link from any of the post, because I don't see any relevance, and I don't want to get any inbound link for this post from my newsletters, because these are kind of static content I have already sent in the past, and I don't want to add any updated links over here. Now let's check the add outbound links section. So this is the screen where you can see all your pages, either it is published, unpublished, and you can open any of the page. For example, AI in my case, I will search from here because I cannot see that page in this screen. I will just search and hit the enter button. Maybe artificial intelligence. Let's see. Okay, so maybe two-letter word is not acceptable by the search bar. So now I will create outbound link from this post or page to other pages of my website. This is very similar to the inbound link feature, but in this case it will create outbound link from this particular page to the other pages of this website. And same kind of filter you can find on this screen as well. And the quick apply feature is also available over here. And there are more options, same like the inbound link page, like next and previous. A search option, a detailed view or a compact view. So these are the pages that are suggested by Linksy to create outbound link from this page to these particular pages, and these are the paragraph which you can find in this article. So you can select one of these suggestions and click on the checkbox and just hit the apply button. It will automatically create an outbound link inside this post for the particular page which is visible over here. So by now you may have already noticed that a side panel is visible on the both add outbound links screen and inbound links screen, where you can see all the inbound links for this particular page and outbound links for this particular page, and as well as the external links available to this page. Let's see the setting option, stop suggesting this post. So if you don't want to suggest this post or page for creating internal links, then you can just click on this and hit the apply button. So these are the focus keywords added using an SEO plugin like Rank Math or Yoast. So if you want, you can create more focus keywords by using the custom options, where you can manually type a keyword and include in this section, as well as you can use the AI feature provided by Linksy, where you can select from various parameters to create AI generated keywords. So for example, in this case I will go for intent targeting keywords. So in this case it will consider the intent targeting to generate keyword. Let's hit the generate button. Let's see. So these are the suggested keywords from Linksy, created by using their AI feature, which seems like very good. And if you want to add one of them or all of them to this focus keyword section, just click here and add selected. It will be added over here, and see the keyword rating is very good, 74, which means they are suggesting to create internal link for this particular keyword. Now let's go to the Autolinking section. So this screen will let you use the Autolinking feature provided by Linksy, which is a very good option if you want to activate some automations to create links. So you can just hit this button, add auto link, and it will open up a pop-up window. So in this screen you can see a keyword and a target link option. For example, if in this case WordPress is the keyword and target link is this page, so whenever this keyword appears any of the pages of my website, it will automatically create a link on this keyword pointed to this link. And also you can add multiple keyword using comma or line break for this particular page. You can add multiple links to the automation, which means if one of these keywords appear on any of your pages, it will automatically link to this page. And also there are multiple parameters to select from. For example, if you want to create auto link just for this post type, you can select it over here. Categories, if you want to create auto link just for a particular category, you can select it from here. You can select this parameter to suggest a publish date range. Links to add per keyword, total 10 links per keyword. Stop date, if you select a date, the automation will stop on that particular date. You can use these parameters like same category, same tag. If you select these options, then it will create link only for the pages that belongs to the same category and same tag. No duplicate anchor per post. So if you select this option and this same keyword appears multiple times on a page, it will then ignore that keyword and will not create a duplicate anchor for that page. Add link, if a post already has a link, so it will add a link automatically if the post already has a link, if that makes sense. Approve before insertion. I will highly recommend to use this feature, so it will help you analyze and determine if you want to add a particular link automatically to a page or not. Apply case rules. So if you click on this apply rule, then it will see if the keyword has a uppercase or lowercase. If you added lowercase keyword over here, then it will find only the lowercase anchors to add this link on the pages of your website. And if you don't apply any case rules, then even if the WordPress is written as like this or like this in a first letter capital, it will insert the link in both the cases. Also, if you don't want to add the auto-link keywords and target links manually, then you can download a sample CSV file from here and add all your target keyword and target links to that file, and then bulk upload over here. It will let you add all your keyword and target links all at once over here and activate the automation. Anchor Cloud. So this is the page where you can see the anchor clouds generated by Linksy, which is pretty good. For example, this is the anchor text, create a website, and this is the target page where this anchor will lead if you include an anchor link. And these are the pages where the anchor keyword is available, and they are suggesting to include an internal link inside these pages targeting this page. Also, you can use this search bar to find a particular anchor text or keyword. Also, you can use these filter options to find a particular page or anchor text. Also, you can use the export button to export your anchor text report, which will probably include the anchor text, target, and sources as well. Now let's check the keyword rating. So I have already explained the keyword rating feature earlier in this video. For example, this page has this focus keyword included using an SEO plugin like Rank Math or Yoast, and Linksy suggesting 52 score for this particular page, 33 which is very low for this page, 55, and so on. You see, 74 green. So they are suggesting that website maintenance focus keyword is best for this page, which is ultimate checklist for WordPress website maintenance. You can use the filters to find a particular page or keyword. In this case, if you want to find all the great keyword ratings, then just select the great and apply the filter. Now see, all the focus keywords are suggesting great by Linksy for these particular pages. Also, if you want, you can see the internal focus keywords already included for these pages. You can add custom keywords using this plus button, where you can manually type the keyword and hit the save button. It will be included in this focus keyword section, and from this screen you can create AI generated focus keywords based on various parameters for these particular pages. Also, you can create AI generated keywords in bulk and add custom keywords in bulk using these settings, and also they are giving an export option to export this data. Now let's check the search and replace feature, which allows you to search and replace links, anchor text, and titles as well. So in simple words, if you want to replace an old link from a new link, you can add the new link over here and replace the old link with the new link. Same for the anchor, same for the title. And from this drop down you can select if it should be exact link or contains a particular word or keyword. A two-way is locate pairs of pages on your website that link to each other. For instance, page A links to page B and page B links to page A. Self-referential broken link. Okay, so you can find the broken link from here and replace those broken links from a new link. Also, there are multiple parameters available for the anchor as well, and for the title there are only two parameters available: exact title or title contains. So now let's go to the next section, which is playground. So from this screen you can find a particular keyword and see what pages are optimized for this particular keyword that you have searched from here. For example, in this case I'm going to search WordPress, and hit the search button, and see these are the pages that are optimized for this particular keyword. Also you can use the versus option to find a different keyword and the pages optimized for that particular keyword and compare them side by side. I'm not sure how this feature is useful, but maybe there are some usefulness of this feature. Please let me know in the comment box if you understand better. Linksy pilot. So this is the screen where you can find 3 different tabs: the credit and plans, modules, and support. The credit and plans screen display on which plan you are on for this plugin. You can add top up for your credits. These are the AI credits provided by Linksy for this particular plan. For example, credit allocated for this month are 50 for this plan. I haven't add any top up, so this is 0. Credit balance is 39 and the credit will reset on this date. Keyword generated 9 credits, paragraphs rewritten 2 credits, links automated 0 credits. And this is important. See, every time you create a keyword or an automated link is added, you use 1 credit. Every time you use the rewrite for a post, you use 2 credits. So these are the AI credits. If you use this for particular use cases like to generate keyword and automated links, it will consume your credits, and if you use the rewrite feature, it will consume double credits. Modules are the features that you can activate or deactivate. So if you don't want to use any of these features provided by Linksy, then you can just hit this button to deactivate. Support is the page where you can find all the detail related to their support, like support email and support page. So if you are stuck somewhere, then you can just contact them using the email address given over here or from this page. Hopefully they will come up to help you out. So now let's check the next feature, which is paragraph rewriter. So this is the screen for paragraph rewriter, and if you want to create more internal linking opportunities, then you should find a page which you want to create internal link for. In this case, artificial. I will select this page, and these are the focus keywords of this page. I will go with this focus keyword which I have generated in the past using the AI keyword feature, and I will hit the lookup button. Then it will suggest a few pages where I should include this focus keyword and then create inbound links using this as anchor for this particular page. For example, I will go with this one, and this is the suggested sentence which is available inside this page. And if I want to rewrite this section to include this particular focus keyword, then I should enter the hit generate button, and voila, it has been rewritten using the Linksy AI, which consumes credit obviously. And if you want to use this particular sentence to replace this one, then just hit the insert button and it's done. Now you can use the outbound link feature to find this particular page and create an outbound link for this focus keyword targeting to this particular article. Also you can use this 3 dot to find the shortcuts to view this page or edit or link in or link out. So for example, in this case, you want to click a link out, it will lead you to the link out page, and then you should find this keyword and create an outbound link targeting this page. And now let's go to the silo network, which is very interesting feature. Even if you have a little bit of knowledge of SEO, then you will know the silo. Silo is a method which you can use to create a cluster of keywords and write article based on those keywords, and there will be one pillar post which is the main post or parent post of your silo network, and it will also have multiple supported posts for that particular silo network. So in this case, you can use this feature to create a silo network, and you can see them visually and create internal linking. For example, in this case, I will go with WordPress plugins, hit the search button, and this is the page, which is the main page or pillar page of this silo network. And these are the supported pages. These you can use the select all button, but I will go for manual selection because I don't want to create any mistakes. So there is a long list of pages. I will go with few of these which I selected and hit the next button. You can also use the search bar to find a particular supported page for this pillar page, and this is their suggestion. You can go with same category or same tag, so the category this page belongs to will be used to display the pages from the same category on this screen. In this case, I have already selected the pages which are supported page for this pillar post. I will hit the next button. Then it will let you see all the pages including the pillar page, and will let you create the outbound target link and inbound target links from these pages. So if you want to create an outbound link for the pillar page from inside this page, then you can select the pillar page from this drop down option, then hit the next button. Find the document, find the same page. Now let's hit the link button. So this is the target page which you are going to link, and this is the focus keyword. So if this particular focus keyword is not inside this WordPress document plugins page, then you can just use the rewrite feature to add that particular focus keyword and then go for the internal linking. Let's hit the generate button. So it will rewrite one of the paragraphs inside this post or page, and then you can hit the insert button to replace this paragraph from this one. There is some kind of failure, I'm not sure why, so I'm skipping this option right now, but hope you understand how to use this feature to create a silo network and create inbound and outbound links for these pages, pillar to supported pages and supported pages to pillar page. Now let's check the link automation feature. This is the screen where you can create a link automation, which simply means you can create a link automation based on the focus keywords of the particular pages. So for example, if you use this feature to create link automation, then you can just hit the add automation button, but because I have already created an automation in the past, I cannot use this button anymore. Maybe they just offer one automation at a time, and also I cannot delete this automation. There is no option to delete this, so I cannot create a fresh automation and show you how this feature works. So let's just hit the edit link and see how the automation works. So you can select an event which is auto run. In this case, action is Autolink. Autolink is the existing feature which I have already discussed in the past section of this video. And status, you want to keep it running, and from here you can select focus keywords, which means if any of the focus keywords appears on any of the pages of this website, then it will automatically include the target link on this focus keyword of any of the particular page which it is appears on. And this works for the old pages which you have created in the past and future pages as well. You can use these parameters to select the post type, categories, tags, start dates, stop dates, maximum links per page, ignored categories, ignored post. If you want to insert the link in the same category of pages or tags, then you can select these features. Allow duplicate anchor per post. You can use this feature to allow adding multiple anchor on the same page. Add link if post already has the link. If the post already has the link, then you can add link automatically using this feature. If you just select this one, I'm not sure how this is helpful, but hope you got my point. And just hit the save button, and then it will search for the pages where the focus keyword appears, and then insert the internal link to that focus keyword targeting the pages the focus keyword belongs to. So I hope you understood everything properly, you have no confusion. But if you have any questions or confusions, you can ask in the comment section below. I will try to answer my best. So to recap, Linksy streamlines your internal linking with AI-powered suggestions, automatic linkings, content clustering, actionable reports, and more. It's a comprehensive tool designed to enhance your SEO strategy and save you time. Thanks for joining us for this walkthrough of Linksy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more tips on optimizing your website. Let us know in the comments below.